Okay guys, this video is for future entrepreneurs or those that want to be entrepreneurs and never knew where to start. As you can see on the thumbnail and the video, turn your tax return into a business. How you can start a business in 30 days or less. So for those of you that are about to receive a tax return or have already received one, this will be an awesome time to start a business with that temporary tax refund relief. Now we know it only comes around once a year, but you could make years of income out of this current tax refund. So what I'd admonish you to do is watch the video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos are to come. Always be learning and always be blessed.
Hello, aspiring appliance technicians and entrepreneurs. Are you ready to transform your tax return into a thriving business? Welcome to Cornerstone Appliance Training, where we make it simple, easy, and affordable to start your own appliance repair service in just 30 days. Let's dive into how we can make this happen for you. Every year, many of you receive a tax return and wonder how to use it effectively. What if we told you that you could invest that money into starting your own business? With Cornerstone Appliance Training, you can do exactly that. Enrollment and orientation. First, sign up for our comprehensive online appliance repair course. Our user-friendly platform makes enrollment a breeze. Once you're in, you'll get an orientation session to familiarize yourself with the course layout and resources. Module-based learning. Our training is broken down into easy-to-digest modules. Each module covers a different aspect of appliance repair, from basic principles to advanced diagnostics. You'll learn at your own pace, with plenty of practical examples and interactive content. Hands-on practice. Though online, our course emphasizes hands-on learning. You'll have assignments that involve working on actual appliances, ensuring you gain practical experience alongside theoretical knowledge. Business skills training. Appliance repair isn't just about fixing machines. It's also about running a successful business. Our course includes modules on customer service, marketing, pricing your services, and managing finances. Crucial skills for any budding entrepreneur. Certification and graduation. Upon completing the course, you receive a certification from Cornerstone Appliance Training, a testament to your new skills and a vital tool in building credibility with your future customers. By the end of 30 days, you'll not only have learned how to repair appliances, but also how to start and run your appliance repair service. This is more than just a course. It's a launch pad for your business, with ongoing support from our team of experts, ready to turn your tax return into a successful appliance repair service. Join Cornerstone Appliance Training today. Visit our website or click the link in the description below to get started. Your future as a successful appliance repair business owner awaits. Thank you for watching. Remember, your journey to becoming a professional appliance technician and a business owner is just a click away. We're here to guide you every step of the way. With Cornerstone Appliance Training, your entrepreneurial dreams are within reach. Always be learning. Be blessed.